In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on live photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. And then towards the top right corner of the screen, you can easily find that icon. If that icon is crossed out with that line, all you have to do in order to turn on live photos on your iPhone is just tap on it once, in that way. After that, live photo mode will be turned on, and to save these settings once you reopen Camera app, you need to go to Settings, then scroll down and get into Camera. After that, tap at Preserve Settings, and then scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find a live photo. All you have to do, guys, is just turn on this toggle. That preserves the live photo settings rather than automatically reset it to live photo turned on. That's how you can easily turn on or off live photo mode in any time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.